If you're living in Germany and you're losing all your hair, I think I have a solution for you. I went to different shops in Germany and I wanted to buy a nice shower, and the requirement was that I wanted to buy with filter. Now, to my shock, that was very expensive. So I found this on TikTok shop, and look at this. The quality is not bad. It's pretty cool. I wouldn't call it bad. It is made out of plastic, and I think the one I'm already using in my German apartment is also plastic. But if you look at the back, you have multiple features, and on the front, these are your silicone tips. So if you want to massage your head or something, you can use it. So it comes with this. Hold on, and look at that. It comes with this as well. So I'm guessing that's going to be your handle. Somehow it comes with this big pipe, which is 150 centimeters, as you can see. And now the best part, it comes with 15 different filters. Each of these filters should be able to last you like 1 month, I would say. Easy peasy, depends on how much you use it. I'm going to install this, I'm going to use it, and I'm going to show you how good that is. First of all, it looks honestly very brilliant and very nice, and it was super cheap, and the way you use it is you press it right there. Enough with the yapping. I'm gonna go downstairs, I'm gonna set this up, and I'm gonna show you guys how good it is. Well, this is your normal shower. Okay, so all you have to do is just take this off, which should be very, very easy, like this. No problem, nothing. Your old sucky shower gone. Hopefully it fits, and yes, it does. So yeah, there you go. The shower's fitted. Let's see if that works. Oh yeah. So that thing is fitted now. That's awesome. Let's fit the shower. All you have to do is basically just like this. Okay, look at this. Literally 2 steps and it's done. If you want to change the filter, this is your filter that goes right there. All you have to do is literally just do that. This is the easiest shower install you will ever see, and look at that. Let's test it out. This button right there, if I press it, like I can stop it. I don't even have to touch that. I can just stop it like this. And look at this. That's not the only thing. If this is it has 3 different modes. This is the normal shower mode. This is a little bit more soft for your hairs. And this is my favorite, the mist mode. Look at that. So if I want to stop it, all I have to do is this, and then I can turn it off. And the good thing is, look at that. It fits with the old fitting as well. Like I did not, these are the old fittings. I did not install that. All I had to do is install this pipe right over there. I'm feeling very proud at the moment. It looks very cool, and it fits with the old shower. And oh, there's one more feature. I forgot to show you that. You see, you can just take the head off and use this as like a pressure water. You see this? I can use that to clean. How cool is that? All of that for like $20. I am impressed.